It is 4:23 p.m. Tuesday afternoon, March 7th, 2023. We're at Burlington, Burlington, Ontario. That was GO Transit train, I think it was 1021. If it's wrong, I'll correct it in my description. 1021 going from Toronto Union Station to Aldershot, Ontario. The track is the GO Transit Oakville subdivision, and it's the GO Transit Lakeshore West service. And the track curving off to the left, that's the Canadian National Halton subdivision. And going left or right, CN Freights can go to Sarnia, Ontario, and on into the USA to Chicago. Over and out.